Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to show you why my 1986 Suzuki Intruder was having issues with startup.
Chainsaws, trimmers, push mowers, I do the stuff all the time. Chainsaws, trimmers, push mowers, now it's time for the neighborhood go-to guy.
Now when I would go to start the bike, of course I would turn the key into the on position and the light would come on, or all the lights would come on. Squeeze the clutch, and as soon as I hit the starter button, it would make a loud click, but the lights would then go out. I originally thought the battery was dead because this year has been really wet and I haven't ridden it as much, so I thought maybe the battery needed recharged. So I got the voltmeter out and hooked it up, but I was still getting like a 12.5 reading. So what I did next was I checked the ground on the negative side terminal. If you look back behind the yellow wires there, you can see the negative side top of the terminal there, and it's hard to access with a wrench. So you had to take an 8mm wrench and loosen the nut that's under here, pick this up and swing it out of the way. And what happened was that bolt that's in there wasn't tightened down, it had worked itself loose. So all I did was tighten that back up and then started the bike, and it started right up for me. So if you're having some kind of electrical issue with your bike, my first suggestion would be to check the connections to the battery. I just got lucky with this one, so hopefully this video helps if you're having the same issue. Thanks for watching, YouTubers.